Toyota's pre-collision system uses multiple sensors to detect potential collisions and automatically apply brakes when necessary. Understanding how these components work is essential for off-road driving. The system relies on three main sensor types. Forward-facing cameras monitor the road ahead, millimeter wave radar detects objects and measures distances, and ultrasonic sensors provide close-range detection. On paved roads, the system works effectively. Sensors clearly detect vehicles and obstacles ahead, accurately measure distances, and apply appropriate braking force when needed. Off-road conditions present significant challenges for the automatic braking system. Overhanging branches are misinterpreted as collision threats, steep terrain changes trigger false alarms, and technical maneuvers like rock crawling can cause unwanted brake intervention. Newer Toyota models from 2023 onwards have made significant improvements. Enhanced off-road detection modes work with multi-terrain select systems to automatically adjust sensitivity based on driving conditions. However, limitations still exist, making it important to understand how to manage these systems during off-road adventures. The most common method to deactivate Toyota's pre-collision system is using the physical PCS button. This button is typically located to the left of the steering wheel. Press and hold the PCS button for 3 or more seconds until PCS off appears on your display. The system will show a warning light on your dashboard to indicate it's disabled. Important note: the system will automatically reactivate when you start your vehicle again. This is a safety feature to ensure the system is active for normal driving. The second method uses your vehicle's multi-information display. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Safety Systems, and toggle PCS to the off position. Use the steering wheel controls to navigate through these menu options. The exact button layout may vary by model year, but typically involves the OK button and directional controls. Newer Toyota models, like the 2022 Tundra and 2023 Sequoia, offer more advanced control through their touchscreen interfaces. These systems provide granular options including off, early, or late warning timing. Access the settings through the main touchscreen menu. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Safety and Driving Assist. Here you can set PCS to off or adjust the warning timing to early or late based on your needs. Remember, these deactivation methods are temporary and intended for off-road use only. Always reactivate your pre-collision system when returning to public roads to ensure maximum safety for you and other drivers.